There are many talented people in the world who are professionals in their field of activity and are ready to take on any job. For maximum productivity and labor efficiency, it is impossible to do without equipment, machines, and tools. Let's take a look at how the right tool and skill can make work easier for workers. Using this nylon sleeve and a special adhesive, it is possible to perform anchoring in the cavity of a brick or block. Once the resin has hardened, you will have a very strong bond. The radiator fin alignment comb is a tool that is used to manually align and clean the radiator fins of accumulated dirt and other contaminants. To clear a clogged drain pipe yourself, you need to tie the tire to the car through the inside of the pipe and start moving. In order to protect plants from weeds, the farmer plants them in specially prepared holes.
To change tyres on a tractor, the twin wheels must first be removed.
If you correctly set up the walk-behind tractor and set the direction, then without human intervention, it will be able to dig up potatoes. The worker uses a two-component epoxy adhesive to restore the metal column. After the glue solidifies, the defects can be ground with a grinder. With this simple tool, fertilizers can be evenly and dosed into the soil. This modified umbrella will free your hands and protect you from the bright sun or rain. With these plastic molds, workers can build a concrete fence near the house in a short period of time.
Professional equipment for felling and harvesting trees.
These tools are designed for marking animals on farms. This machine automatically produces wind hooks for doors and gates. In order to remove a layer of paint, it is not necessary to physically influence it. It is enough just to apply a special chemical agent to the surface. A worker without the use of special professional equipment easily and quickly changes old tires on a tractor for new ones. Workers collect dandelion seeds with a special nozzle for a gasoline trimmer. When transplanting this ornamental bush, the main thing is not to damage its root system. In order for the metal cutting disc to last longer, it is necessary to solder cutters made of hard material onto the teeth. This is a simple but very effective tool with which you can easily make coal slag in briquettes for growing plants. A worker applies fiberglass to the surface of a manufactured car body part. Fiberglass is a reinforcing element that provides the necessary strength characteristics. Thanks to a modern technology called aquaprint, the worker gives the sink a completely different look. With this simple bag holder, filling them is much easier. This mechanical hand tool makes planting seedlings easier, faster, and with minimal effort. The device can be used to plant potatoes, tomatoes, onions, and many other crops. Garden telescopic wooden fence can be used as a barrier and support for climbing plants. Thanks to the powerful water jet, the machine can wash dirt off the asphalt without stopping. She made her job easier by walking on stilts with ease without using a ladder. The production process of a kitchen sink is simpler than it might seem. It is necessary to pour a special liquid into the mold and wait for it to solidify. After the brickwork is laid out, the builder grouts the seams to avoid its destruction in the future. A worker uses a vibrating screed with a motor to place concrete. This tire packing machine is fully automatic. Packaging improves appearance and protects during transport. To transplant arborvitae from the nursery, the farmer uses a tractor with special equipment that does not damage the plant. It is possible to restore the damaged section of the pipeline system with the help of sanitation of sewer pipes. The popularity of this method is due to the speed of work and efficiency. The train driver is so experienced that he unloads the cars without resorting to stopping the train. If you need a ladder and you don't have it, you can always find a way out. For example, make such a tool from improvised materials. Workers use an electric grinder to recycle old car tires. If you have a special skill and tool, it is even possible to divide even such a huge and heavy stone into two alone. To quickly crack hazelnuts, you can use a wrench and a hammer. Using an excavator can significantly increase the efficiency in collecting tea. A worker applies the logo to the cups using a stencil and green paint. The girl manually applies the famous stripes on a basketball and does it no worse than the machine. A worker effectively uses a homemade wooden drill. After pouring the area with cement, the worker uses a structural rubber roller to decorate the surface. For painting large areas, the worker does not use a brush. You can pour the paint on the floor and then smear it evenly. To make pots at home, we need a cement solution, which must be evenly applied to the mold using a special tool. After that, you must wait until the solution hardens and apply a dye to give a beautiful look. The process of manufacturing bicycle wheels using a special machine. In a garment factory in China, to facilitate the work of workers, such a vacuum machine is used to turn trousers and jeans inside out after they have been sewn.